Hi, I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Mesa, Arizona with Woodside Homes, taking a look at the Eastmark Legacy community. Stephanie Derendal is going to be showing us around the tradition. Stephanie, take it away.
All right, thank you very much. Let's get started. I'm outside the tradition model at our Eastmark Legacy Series. I'm going to start actually in our what we call a Home Plus. It's perfect for mother-in-laws, father-in-laws, that maybe a college student that just came back, or your older children that kind of want a space of their own. We call it the Home Plus. When you first walk in, it goes right into a private little living area. And it also comes with this nice kitchenette feature. It's everything you kind of need. And then you go right into your bedroom area. So it's perfect for multi-generational living. And we also have a walk-in closet. And then you got your bathroom down here. It's very popular with a lot of our buyers that are purchasing here in Eastmark. Eastmark is actually a master plan community in Mesa, Arizona. It's actually ranked #1 in the state for several years, and we're the top 10 in the nation. Got a little piece for you right there. Got a community pool, a rec center. There's about 100+ events that are done each year, 60+ parks. It's a great master plan community in Mesa. We just walked in. The front door, got a dining area over here to your right. We do have some people, instead of using it for dining, you can put your pool table, a play area, however you want to use it. And then I'll swing around over here so you can kind of get the foyer as you walk in. And there's also a nice powder room down here too for your guests. I'm going to take you around next to the laundry room. It's on the main level. So you got your entrance from your 2-bay garage there and into the laundry room. Very nice and spacious. Got some cabinets for extra storage. From here, I'm going to head on into the great room. Got some understair storage there too, we just walked by. And here is the great room. And it goes into the kitchen area. We've got our gorgeous stacked cabinets modeled with our professional kitchen. Got some nice cooking areas there, double ovens. And then we'll head into the butler's pantry, and it also has a walkthrough into where your dining area is. And lots of storage in your pantry. And also in the kitchen, we do have an eat-in kitchen area, so if you use that formal dining room for a play area or that pool table, you still have a section where you can set up a nice sized table. And then in from the dining, we'll get you another view of the great room. We've got this gorgeous stone going all the ways up for the fireplace. Yes, it does get a little chilly here in Arizona sometimes, so a fireplace does come in handy. And this floor plan, it is a 2-story home, but the master's down on this one. So let's head on into the master. We have our gorgeous walk-in shower, also another very popular feature with our buyers. Got a split sink area. Swing around here. So there's one side. And then get you over here to the next one. And then check out that flooring. Isn't it gorgeous? And then into the walk-in closet. Lots of storage. All right, let's head into the master bedroom area. Got a door to get out to your covered patio. Perfect to get into that pool during the summertime. And let's swing around, lots of natural light in this home. And that is the master. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and head upstairs so I can show you what's going on upstairs. All right, here we go. And then this is in that master plan community of Eastmark. It's continually growing. We've got lots of, there's a diner that you can eat at. The schools are relatively close for walking distance. We got Basis, which is also a very popular charter school too. So we are upstairs. I'm going to head into the secondary bedrooms first. Just walked up the stairs. First one, large size bedrooms, walk-in closets in the bedrooms. This one has a Jack and Jill bathroom. I'll head into the other bedroom and then we'll head into that bathroom. Going into the next bedroom, also very large and spacious. Walk-in closet in this one too. Right there. All right, let's head into that bathroom. So here's the Jack and Jill bathroom that these two bedrooms share. Double sinks. All right. Let's go ahead and head into the loft area. This floor plan's nice, bright, open. Lots of options you can do with this floor plan too if you want to change it up a little bit. So here you can kind of see down into the entrance area. And here is the loft. Very spacious, plenty of room for family time, games. Kind of keep everything up here in the loft area. And then off of the loft, we do have one more additional bedroom and a full bathroom. So here's the full bathroom. Double sinks. And we'll head into the last bedroom that's upstairs. And here is the last bedroom. Again, walk-in closet. So all of the bedrooms do have walk-in closets in this home. All right, that includes the tour of our tradition plan at Eastmark Legacy. Thanks so much for tuning in.
Thanks, Stephanie. If you want to learn more about this home plan, check out the link below. Be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcases.